I had a tire fail on my bandsaw, so I need to replace it. And I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you how that's done. Now you're going to need a few tools to accomplish this. If you try to do it without them, you're going to fight it the whole way. So if you don't have any of these things, maybe you have a friend or you know somebody that you can borrow the tools from. First of all, you're going to need a couple of clamps to clamp the wheel to your workbench. You might get away with one. It's best to have two. You need a couple of spring clamps to clamp the tire to the wheel. Other clamps might work, but spring clamps are quick and easy to operate. You'll need a couple of round shank screwdrivers to use as levers to stretch and pry the tire into place. And lastly, you need a container to soak the tire in boiling water in. First, boil some water and get the tire soaking. This softens the neoprene and makes it much easier to stretch. Hot water from the tap isn't hot enough. If you skip this step, you're going to have to fight to stretch the tire on. Now, prepare the wheel by cleaning off all debris. The surface must be smooth for the tire to seat well and ensure that the blade will run true. Clamp the wheel firmly to your bench. Place the clamps on the inside of the wheel and position them with the threads down out of the way. Dry off the tire. There's a seam in the tire. Position that at the top of the wheel away from you. Working quickly, begin aligning the tire on the wheel and place the spring clamp on one side. Now, as you align the tire, stretch it up and around away from the clamp. Place the second clamp about 60% of the way around the wheel, maintaining the stretch in the tire, and immediately continue stretching the tire over the wheel. Use the screwdrivers to help slip the tire down onto the wheel. Make final adjustments with your fingers, ensuring the tire is seated fully. And that's it. It's that easy. Just have to be sure that this is kind of centered up and nothing is overlapping the edge. And it looks like we're good. So that's how you replace a bandsaw tire the easy way. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next repair video.